Hello everyone, welcome to J. Patel Mahila Science College. In chemistry, previous lecture discuss aryl halide definition, chemical property, physical property, nucleophilic reaction. But today's discuss about reaction of aryl halide. Reaction of aryl halide compound. In reaction of aryl halide compound is the chemical changes in aryl halide compound when react to other component. In chemical reaction, first discuss fitting reaction. Second one is Wurtz fitting reaction. And third one is Ullmann reaction. Third one is Ullmann reaction. In first one is a fitting reaction. This is the Wurtz fitting reaction. And third one is Ullmann reaction. In fitting reaction and Wurtz reaction are generally same. In this reaction, both reaction fitting and Wurtz fitting reaction, both reaction have a use sodium metal and dry ether is a requirement of this reaction. But here fitting reaction generally any aryl halide compound like this. This is the aryl halide compound react with sodium metal and dry ether. Then sodium metal and here halogen compound. Here sodium have a positive charge and here halogen compound have a electronegative, means minus charge. Both have a complete reaction and byproduct is NaCl. Here 2 mole of aryl halide and 2 mole of Na react in presence of dry ether, then 2 Na plus and 2X minus means 2 NaX is the byproduct and final product is biphenyl ring. This is the biphenyl ring. This is the reaction of fitting reaction. Fitting reaction, any aryl halide compound react with sodium metal in presence of dry halide to produce a biphenyl. This is the our product of fitting reaction. When exam question is how to biphenyl ring produce in aryl halide means fitting reaction. And second one is Wurtz fitting reaction. Second one is Wurtz fitting reaction. Here Wurtz fitting reaction product is change. Product is a change in Wurtz fitting reaction. Any aryl halide component is react with Na metal and dry ether, but other component is RCl, means alkyl halide. This is aryl halide, means aryl halide and alkyl halide react in presence of sodium metal and dry ether. Then product is alkyl arene is product and 2NaX is byproduct. In this reaction, Wurtz reaction, 2NaX is byproduct. Here 2NaX is byproduct, means here X means Na react with Cl, means here 2Na, one Cl here and another halogen down here. Therefore 2Na and 2 halogen compound byproduct, and here alkyl group is entered. Means Wurtz-Fitting reaction, alkyl arene component is produced, and Fitting reaction, biphenyl ring is produced. And third one is Ullmann reaction. Third one is a Ullmann reaction. In Ullmann reaction, any aryl halide compound in presence of copper and thermally high temperature to produce biphenyl ring. This is the same reaction of Fitting reaction. In Fitting reaction, 2 aryl halide compound, means here aryl halide compound is react with in presence of Cu and X, then product is biphenyl. This is the reaction, and here byproduct is Cu. This is the byproduct. This is the Ullmann reaction. Finally repeat in Fitting reaction. First one is a Fitting reaction. Another is Wurtz Fitting reaction, and third one is Ullmann reaction. Fitting reaction, aryl halide compound react with sodium in presence of dry ether to product is biphenyl. This is the general reaction of Fitting. In Wurtz reaction, aryl halide compound react with RCl, means this is aryl halide and this is the alkyl halide, react with dry ether and Na metal to produce ARR, means alkyl arene, and Ullmann reaction, 2 aryl halide react in Cu in high temperature to produce biphenyl ring. This is the shortcut of 3 aryl halide chemical reaction. In fitting reaction, three reaction, fitting, Wurtz fitting and Ullmann reaction. Starting reagent is aryl halide. In fitting and Wurtz fitting reaction, sodium and diether is common, and fitting reaction product is biphenyl. In Wurtz fitting reaction, alkyl aryl group is byproduct, and third is Ullmann reaction. Here biphenyl is the both are same. Here diethyl and sodium, here copper and high temperature.